Have you made enough online from home to quit your 9 to 5 yet? If you haven't, you need to watch the end of this video because we're offering $15,000 in team bonuses that will explode any business and the most needed product in this industry, which is traffic. If you don't have traffic, you can't get the butts in the seat and the eyeballs on your offer, you're going to fail. But about that $15,000 bonus, you get direct access through me to get all your people trained. Not just your people, but their people and their people, etc., etc. Do I have your attention yet? Because our people are ranking all over YouTube and even Google, which is a little bit harder, quite a bit harder actually, but all ranking all over YouTube. All our team, just following the little steps. And the first step, once you get in our system, is to set up your one-on-one with the number one owner of this company. Affiliate mentor Greg Chambers. Who's Greg Chambers and what is affiliate mentor? Affiliate mentor is the front end system to Traffic Authority, which has been around for over a decade, offering premium top tier traffic. So, and there's a way to get these clicks for half off. Not only that, but once if you're in the system, once you want to buy as much traffic as possible, well, they offer guaranteed leads and sales for a limited time. You heard me right. Guaranteed guaranteed leads and a certain amount of sales. So you need to get in and explode your business while you can. Because who else is offering that? Especially legitimate companies that have been around for over 10 years. Greg Chambers is the head of Traffic Authority. And Affiliate Mentor is the new front-end system to get paid even better with Traffic Authority. Grow your residual and your residual income and also your instant pay with this system. And get all $15,000 with our team bonuses, which will explode any business. So it doesn't matter if you want to build a different business. You can build any business with these bonuses and the traffic that we offer. So again, affiliate mentor Greg Chambers. His name is what this video is about. And you need our bonuses. If you're not ready to retire yet, then you need this system. Because who else is offering to take your people by the hand and train them? He has a site and he leads his people live every single day and helps